In 1998, when I bought the company, all we made were bagel baskets. All of a sudden, people stopped eating bagels because of the Atkins diet. We were really hurting for years. Shutting down would have been the right answer to most people, but I just was not going to give up. We've been able to transform, and now we've gone from bagels to Boeing. My name's Drew Greenblatt. I'm the president of Marlin Steel Wire. Marlin Steel makes wire baskets, material handling baskets, and sheet metal fabrications for industrial clients, people like Caterpillar, Toyota, Pfizer, Merck. My real job is picking great talent, giving them clearly defined objectives, giving them the tools, invest in their training, and then get the heck out of their way. And now we've grown 8 years in a row. Marlin's successful because of quality, engineered quick. These words are the essence of our transformation. The techniques that Marlin uses are pretty simple. The skills matrix is a transparent way to show which employees have learned different tasks at our company.
The skills matrix here at Marlin is you're rewarded for learning new machines or procedures. When you do learn those machines or different skills, you make yourself a better employee, more valued to the company.
Cross-training is critical at Marlin. It makes us more adaptable, more nimble. This is expensive for our company, but it's a good investment. This enables us to weather the turbulence that's going on in the economy.
All of my training that I've had here at Marlin has been paid training, making sure that you can get things done as quickly as possible, not have one person who has all the skills be a bottleneck.
Helps me grow, helps me a better worker, helps the company out. Being more versatile is definitely a benefit to getting production done faster.
Classic Marlin story. This morning, we got an order for a project we never made before. By 11 o'clock, we had a print. By 1 o'clock, our laser was cutting. By 2 o'clock, our team had set up welders and benders to make the component. And by 4 o'clock, we shipped it to California. So our client in California will have this tomorrow morning before they eat breakfast. And Liston didn't get introduced to the project until after lunch. So it's a real testament to Liston and his team to come up with a great product, tight tolerance, really fast. We also have an incentive program so that each employee can receive a cash bonus if they hit their target. Money's a big motivator for our employees because it helps align our objectives. Our clients pay us to hit certain deadlines with certain quality expectations. We tie our clients' expectations with our employees.
We're given what's called a production goal of making a certain dollar amount a week. And if we do make that goal, we get a bonus. And that'll appear on our check as a cut of the profits, essentially, as kind of a pat on the back for saying, you did a good job.
I think it's an innovative business model because we're sharing the wealth. We're incorporating our employees' success with the company's success. Our employees are with us for the long haul. They're critical to our future. And this is the reason why we're willing to stick our neck out and train them.
I've been working here 7 years.
I worked for 33 years.
I've worked here almost 13 years.
I've been at Marlin for 7 years.
2 years now. Lucky enough to work my way up to where you see me now.
These are people. This is my team. I'm dedicated to their success. We're all in this together. We're fighting imports. We're fighting very sophisticated, savvy competitors. We don't import anything. It's all designed, engineered fabricated and made here in America. We're doing our part in Baltimore, we're doing our part in Maryland. This is the future. American manufacturing renaissance is happening, and we're an example of it.